Binance executive Tigran Gambaryan denied bail again amid legal hurdles in Nigeria. The Nigerian government on April 13, 2024, officially confirmed that the British-Kenyan dual national had been traced to the country, indicating that he was already in hiding. Nigeria's Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, had charged Binance and its executives for $35,400,000, cash $4.6 billion, money laundering. Tigran Gambaryan, Binance's head of financial crime compliance, remains detained in Nigeria after a court denied his bail once again. His continued imprisonment has drawn significant attention from international observers, highlighting ongoing legal and humanitarian concerns surrounding his case. Gambaryan has been held in Kuje prison, Abuja, for almost 8 months, following charges of tax evasion and money laundering brought against him and Binance in February 2024. Despite the Nigerian government dropping the tax evasion charges, the court has repeatedly refused to release Gambaryan on bail, citing him as a potential flight risk. The court's presiding judge, Justice Emeka Nwite, upheld this ruling in the most recent bail hearing, prolonging the executive's time behind bars. This marks another delay, with Gambaryan's previous bail decision postponed in September. Binance's escalating efforts and concerns over health. Binance has continued to mount pressure on the Nigerian government for Gambaryan's release, with support from various international organizations. The company, along with CEO Richard Tang, has lobbied for the executive's unconditional release, engaging with both the UK High Commission and the US Embassy. In addition to legal concerns, Gambaryan's deteriorating health has raised alarm. Reports indicate that he has been battling severe conditions such as malaria, pneumonia, and tonsillitis while in prison, with his health worsening to the point where he requires assistance to walk. Despite pleas from his legal team and family for adequate medical care, Gambaryan remains in Kuje prison, with his wife, Yuki Gambaryan, expressing fears of long-term damage to his health. Binance's CEO, Richard Tang, has criticized the Nigerian government for what he perceives as a deliberate attempt to extort money from the company through prolonged legal delays. He stressed the danger of this situation setting a negative precedent for international companies doing business in Nigeria, accusing the government of exploiting employees through misleading policy discussions only to detain them without cause. The case has attracted widespread international attention, with Binance calling for intervention from the US government and global human rights organizations. While efforts to secure Gambaryan's release have intensified, his continued detention raises significant concerns about Nigeria's legal and judicial processes, especially when it involves high-profile foreign entities and individuals. The legal standoff has broader implications for Nigeria's investment climate, particularly in the growing cryptocurrency and blockchain sectors. Binance's struggles with Nigerian authorities reflect the difficulties international businesses may face in navigating the country's legal system and policies. Former Binance CEO Changpeng CZ Zhao was released from prison after a 4-month sentence. His early release, just 2 days ahead of his scheduled date, was granted due to Bureau of Prisons regulations, as his release date fell on a weekend. However, CZ's freedom came with conditions. He will no longer return to Binance as CEO, despite his ongoing interest in investing in blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, and biotech sectors. As the situation surrounding Gambaryan's detention unfolds, the pressure on the Nigerian government continues to escalate. With concerns over his deteriorating health and the international response, the legal case could have far-reaching consequences for the country's reputation and its relationship with global businesses like Binance. Gambaryan's plight underscores the complexities of navigating Nigeria's legal system and highlights the growing tensions between the nation and the global cryptocurrency community.